In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Walmart search not working. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection or you can switch between network, Wi-Fi and cellular data. If you're using browser version, you can refresh the page. If you're using the Walmart app, force close it and relaunch it. Likewise, make sure you are using the latest version of Walmart app. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Walmart. If you see the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, if you're using browser version, clear cache and cookies for Walmart. Then restart the browser and try searching again. Likewise, if you have enabled VPNs, proxies, or ad blockers, disable these as these can sometimes interfere with Walmart search functionality. If you're having issues within the app, you can use the web version. Likewise, if you're having issues in the web version, you can use the Walmart app instead. Finally, if none of these methods work, contact Walmart customer support for additional assistance. That's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.